Welcome to our new, beautiful and super weird apartment for the next 3 days in Skopje, North Macedonia. This place is located in the very center of the city and it cost us around 42 euros per night. The place has 2 levels. The first level has living room, kitchen, bathroom and 2 balconies. The second level has bedroom, and one beautiful balcony with amazing views. And I want to show you what it looks like because it's super interesting and it's very unique. On this wall we can see the portrait of the architect that used to live here, and he actually designed this place, and this is him and his family. And right next to the portrait you can see a weird picture of, I would say, alien and a very heavy sword. How do I know that it's heavy? I already tried it to take. Here we have a kitchen. It's beautiful, very many small details that you cannot focus on because it's just so busy. Here you can see the cupboards with stained windows and other cupboards that are gilded. Next to the stove, a beautiful, I would say handmade, maybe he actually did it by himself, mosaic of a fish. And on the ceiling you can see all these small chandeliers and small chandeliers, small because in the center of the living room there is a huge massive chandelier that you actually can hit with your forehead. Here we have one of the dining tables, very beautiful, kind of simple for this place because I will show you the second one and it's just unbelievable. We have many pictures of I don't know, people, things. This is actually looks like kind of like Dali style, I would say. Here's another dining table that looks unique to me because I never seen anything like this in any apartment I have visited. The chairs are super heavy. I tried to lift one, but I couldn't. The bottom of the table is made of heavy metal and the top is glass and really thick glass. The chairs also are made of metal, and this red soft velvet looks very medieval. Here we have the door to the second balcony and the door to the bathroom. Even if you will look at this shelf, you can see how strange the style of this apartment is. Here you can see some wooden boxes, collection of the books. You can see also a statue of the elephant that probably speaks about Indian culture. Maybe it was brought from there or from other parts of Asia. Here we have TV and some other speakers, some other stuff. And I just love this small cupboards that look very medieval. And I will try to open one. It's empty, but that's just so beautiful. In the middle of the living room, you can see this nice soft couch with the wooden table and this grand, massive chandelier that you probably can hit with your forehead if you're a little bit taller than I am while sitting down or getting up. And behind me, here's a grand staircase, and you can see how many details were put here. All these leaves, this kind of like a salt crust, in the salty caves, let's say. And here you see, I think this is supposed to be a baby Jesus and angels, very beautiful, very detailed, and unique, just unique. I've never seen anything like this. The staircase is made partially of wood and partially of glass on the top. I already visited this bedroom, and I tell you that for me it's not the greatest thing because I'm scared of heights and it makes me nervous. So let's go and see the bedroom. The bedroom actually is quite small, although there are two working tables. One of them is here, the brown one, very old looking. I think it was his table, the architect, and the other one is just right there. It looks really feminine, I would say. Beautiful. He probably made it for his wife. Here we have a chest, old beautiful side table, something weird to me because it is leather. It's just leather. It does not belong here, but I guess he saw it here, so he put it there. The ceiling is also covered with details, all these roses, flowers, and look at this side. On this pillar you can see the vine going up and it continues on the ceiling. And the grapes, I think it's supposed to be grapes, look like small roses. And the whole vine goes around the room, coming down closer to the bed with already paintings of the roses. And the bed is just kind of in the middle of this arc, or I even don't know how to call it. Yeah, and it looks like a royal bed to me, at least. So here is the second working space, kind of small, but at the same time elegant, beautiful. And here you can see all these golden roses that are coming kind of from the ceiling down to the table. And here's a door to the third balcony that leads to the small sitting area with a view of the church.